Hi everyone, this is Michelle Blackwood from Healthier Steps again, and I'm so excited because today I'm going to share with you an easy recipe, and it's my flavorful Asian salad dressing and also lemonade. It's a citrus lemonade because here in Florida we grow a lot of oranges and lemons, so I'm going to share with you an easy, cool summer drink. And also you can find many of my recipes. Actually, I have over 700 recipes on my website, Healthier Steps. And I also have this amazing cookbook with amazing and healthy and delicious recipes. It's 125 gluten-free vegan recipes. This book can be purchased on Amazon, so go check it out. And so let's get started. Can you believe you can make the most delicious salad dressing at home? It actually tastes better than store-bought. The beauty is you can control the ingredients that are in your salad dressing. So today I'm going to share with you what I have in the salad dressing. I have cashews. It's going to give the most creamy texture, and you know cashew is protein. And if you've never made a salad dressing using cashews, you're going to be in for a treat because it's so creamy and so flavorful, and it gives a smooth taste. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cashews. Make sure you rinse your cashews. Because I'm using a powerful blender today, I'm just going to dump everything in. And this is your sesame oil, and I'm putting a little maple syrup and tahini. Good. And tahini is high in calcium. Actually, tahini is made from sesame seeds. So for those of you who are looking to increase your calcium intake, go ahead and use tahini. It's actually better for you than cow's milk. I'm adding my water. Next, I'm adding a little Bragg's liquid aminos. You can use soy sauce. So the sesame flavor, so using the sesame oil, and you can also add some sesame seed. You'd roast the sesame seed at first, but today I'm just gonna skip and add sesame oil. I'm adding that ginger to give a little spicy flavor. And then the next ingredient I'm adding is some lemons. That's it. So all this is all the fresh ingredients that are in your salad dressing. Fresh, and then that's it. All I'm gonna do next is I'm going to blend. That's good enough. Any more. Okay. Oh. That's good. I'm gonna just take them up like that, and then just drop them. No more boring salad. Enjoy my Asian salad dressing. So flavorful, it'll make any salad pop. You've got to try it, so good. Now we're going to be making a lemonade, and it's made with, I'm using oranges today and lemons because I wanted to add homegrown oranges. They're organic and they're high in vitamin C, and I love the combination, the difference in the flavor. The sweet oranges and the tart lemon goes well together. And I'm going to sweeten them today with agave. So I'm going for a natural sweetener. You can use whatever your favorite sweetener is out there. And so come on along with me. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to peel my lemon and I'm going to leave the pit, the white pit. So I'm just going to remove the rind and I'm going to leave the pit because I want all that nutrients that are in the pit. There's a lot of nutrients there today and they're good for boosting your immune system. So all that antioxidants right there, right? I'm just going to add everything whole. Just add it to the blender. And I'm using 2 lemons. And you can use more. But right now, it's summertime. And it's just great to be making lemonade. And why not? Because there's a lot of lemons and oranges here in Florida. And sometimes if you're thinking of what to do with them, I'm saying just go ahead and enjoy. And the beauty of this recipe is the fact that I'm just gonna cut it up. I'll remove some of the seeds so I can still use the pit. Just gonna just make big chops. And these oranges are really, really juicy. Really, really juicy. And like I said, it's better to go with a natural sweetener sometimes, like instead of using sugar. So today I'm going with agave because it's believed that it doesn't raise your blood glucose level as fast as regular sugar. So if you're looking for an alternative, go ahead and try agave. Stevia would be also great if you've never tried stevia. It definitely doesn't raise your blood sugar. So stevia would be a great alternative. And it's so juicy. I'm just taking out some of the seeds and I'm gonna add the whole thing to my blender. So juicy. Nothing like homegrown oranges. Nothing like organic and sweet. Okay, there we go. And all I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add some water and then I'm going to blend. And after I'm finished blending, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strain and then sweeten. I'm gonna strain using, if you've never seen one of these are the nut milk bags. And so you can see that really nothing escapes through this. And you can use cheesecloth as well, or you can use a fine mesh blender and just strain, and then there it is. Then you sweeten with the agave and that's it. That's your lemonade. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend now. Okay, I'm gonna go straight.
juice in. Stop.
So refreshing, so delicious. You can sweeten according to taste. You could use some of the pit or none of the pit, but it's so good. You gotta try. Only lemons, oranges, and sweetener to taste. And I'm wishing you a pleasant and happy summer, and also cheers to healthier steps.